So it's the beginning of November, and here I am back with my friend Michel, following his Mazda. And we're going all over the country roads, really. It's a great day. It's like 22 degrees in November. Remember where I live in Ottawa, it's often we have snow by Halloween, October 31st. In fact, a lot of people are starting to put on winter tires. And today, we're just driving with the top down and eating up these country roads and enjoying every second of it. It's like a present from I don't know, the weather people. So at the end of this year, what have I done to my MGB? Well, if you've been following me on my blog, quite a bit. And the good news is my brakes don't squeak. My engine idles at 800. My engine revs like a son of a gun. She just wants to go. My steering is straight, well, almost, yeah, I'm on a bumpy road, so it's kind of, but she's straight as an arrow, and one finger driving, no problem. So the suspension is beautiful. The brakes are wonderful. My transmission is awesome. As an MG owner, what more can you ask for? I feel secure. I got lights in the front that allows people from miles away to know I'm coming. I got enhanced brake lights in the back. I have a properly installed roll bar with backing plates in all three directions, X, Y, Z. I have proper padding on the roll bar to protect my head from possible concussion if I do get in a collision. I have a beautiful stereo, plays 4 speakers, Bluetooth. I can say the famous, GOOGLE and have it phone for pizza or give me directions. So life is good, yeah? It's really good. And, I think there's a few people I need to thank. The most important person is a fellow called Steve, who works at a garage called the Sports Car Factory. And he's an artist when it comes to restoring cars. And he's been the most help out of anybody. And thank you, Steve, for that. And the next, well, YouTube. And I'll list the channels that I want to thank. There's a gentleman in England. I'm sorry I don't remember your name while I'm driving in the middle of the country, but he always wears a white mechanic's outfit, and he does excellent videos. So he's listed below here. Thank you, sir, especially with the brakes. You helped me with that tremendously. And well, I guess I'll just press stop and enjoy the rest of my ride, because it's actually beautiful. Beautiful day.